Ayan, today is really a trash day. I can hear the truck and it's about 11 o'clock maybe or 10:30. Ayan, and there is a something helicopter came by like on top of our house and the windows, and it's like the whole house vibrate. My goodness, I'm like, are you go suck up our house? Man, it's not too hot. It's not going to be too hot today. Temperature drops from 80s to I guess 70s or 60s. Ayan, and I'm looking at my plants. So Stephanie, who did find it out? Stephanie too, where the hole was at. See, you there? So in that, by the freezer, under that thing right there, there's a hole. That's where the entry of the mice was at, right here. Right here. Turn out what, right here?
It was actually covered by cardboard in the front.
Oh yeah?
Outside, and then that's a crack, and so it looked like the mouse was squeezed.
Yeah, they squeeze out there, so we figure out their entryway. So Steve put what's that, concrete right there, and the leftover concrete we could put, I put it in a bag so it won't get dry. Maybe right here. Can you help me?
Leftover?
Yeah. We can still use this probably in something right here. My goodness, that thing is heavy. See? Fast setting concrete mix. Lagyan mo lang ng tubig atay. Ayan. Lagyan lang ng plastic like that. Woodpecker. Dako-rako akong kulitis guys. Tiitip. Tiitip lang sa midatanan. Ran sa kulitis. Nami dyan sa munggo. Harata na daw dandelion siguro na. Astara to. Na may mint man to. Rako-rako lang kid. Kulitis. O diba? Mint. Tapos ang beans ko dali lang magkamang. Diyan doon ang aton nga peas. Na. Doon mamuhi dyan. Intibso ko dyan. Ano dyan man, plums dyan nga ano. Ay, ano ganyan. Ang twigs ka plums. Mungguhan ko ron duro dyan kulitis ko ay. Di ka mo magambal nga hindi dyan kulitis ay nakaon ko ron dyan last few years nagabalik sanda every year. Ang laswata ka kulitis. Like, kung diin pa ang ay mo ginatanom to yaga pamuhi. Ang gintanom ko giya nga mga petchay kagkong mga ano-ano why na muhi. Diba? Mail trap. I got mail. Go get it later. May ano man no, alusiman. Nakaon mara pa hindi kukmaan. Magkaon ka alusiman. Ay daw bulak man daa. Wild spinach. That's wild spinach. Ano pa dyan? Uy, dear, just a mango. Look at that one. It's like I just learning how to fly. But she have a reddish color in it. just got trapped in this here. Still moving. Salad and cucumber. Salad and cucumber. Wait a minute. It's bean, corn, cucumber slaw or salad. We got mac and cheese a little bit. And egg kinda omelette. I got 3-piece potato and a pork chop on and onion gravy. Ciao.